If you want to connect a printer to your Xiaomi 15T or 15T Pro, then in that case we need to go to settings. Over here in settings, go to more connectivity options, and then we have the printing option. Now in here you should be able to find, for example, the system printing service, which we can use in order to start searching for available printers, and you might be able to find it over here, find your printer over here and select it to connect to. In some other cases, you can also try to use the Mi Home, which I assume is especially useful when you have a Xiaomi printer, for example. So in this case, this is probably where you want to find your printer and connect to. And in some other cases, you want to tap on Add Service in order to open the Play Store with different plugins and additional apps that might be required for you to use them to find the printer on your phone and connect it, of course. Now, this, of course, depends on the manufacturer of your printer, so select the proper plugin over here and install it. And in some other cases, printers may require you to download very specific apps that are made just for specific printer models, so you might want to check the user manual of a printer in order to find out what is the app that you need to get in order to connect your printer to your phone. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.